Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got an AliExpress item. Let's open it up. So after an extended period of time with nothing coming through customs from China and my AliExpress items all being really delayed, I finally got an item. I have no idea what it, well, I can't say I don't know what it is. It says sticker, but I have ordered a lot of different stickers on AliExpress, so I don't know what one particularly this is. So let's see. Here, I'll move this down so you can see what I'm doing here. Opening this up. 2 packs of stickers. Oh, I know what these are. These are My Hero Academia stickers and Back to the Future stickers. So let me get you the information on these stickers. So these My Hero Academia stickers, I paid $2.12 for them. And these Back to the Future or 80s nostalgia movie, I think is what they called them, I paid $2.11. They were both from the same seller, that's why they were in the same package. And they came from Takeoff Store is the name of the seller. Bought stickers from them in the past and they've been pretty good. I ordered these on March 4th or 5th, somewhere around there. Today is May 27th. So they'd taken a while to get here. But like I said, things were shut down with customs and nothing was coming through. So there was a lot of issues there. Let's open these up and see what we got. So here's some of the My Hero. These are 50 of them. My Hero Academia stickers. You can see. Oh, I really like that one. That one is pretty sweet. That one's a neat one too. Yeah, that one's quality is a little all for one. So I'm a fan of My Hero Academia, and I have a bunch of friends that are as well. So I want to send these out to some of them for sure. But if you're a My Hero Academia fan and you want a sticker, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you let me know that you did those things, then I'll send you out a sticker. As supplies last, obviously. There's some really cool ones in here. This is a really neat bunch. This is a neat one, Plus Ultra. Wow. I'm really impressed with some of the designs for these My Hero ones. Symbol of peace. All for one. I mean, there's just some great stickers. So I'm gonna use some of these on some water bottles and some things. What's my quirk? One for all. Pretty cool. So 50 of these My Hero stickers, and then 50 as well of these 80s nostalgia, which is it was Back to the Future. So let's look at these ones. These ones are a lot smaller. So we got the DeLorean. Oh, that's cool. There's a neat one. These ones are a lot smaller. They're okay. Tell you a little story. Christopher Lloyd is the actor who plays Doc Brown. Got the opportunity to meet him at a Comic-Con in Rhode Island. And my wife, when we go to Comic-Cons, which we go every so often, it's expensive to get lots and lots of different autographs. So we pick out, oh, I like that. It's just a license plate, out of time. So we pick out a few people that we want to get autographs from and meet each. So my wife picked Christopher Lloyd. That was one of the people that she wanted to meet. So we didn't have anything for him to sign, and we didn't want to just get a picture. So we went to the Funko Pop store that was at the Comic-Con, which was about 1 million of them, but we found one that had a Doc Brown Funko Pop, and we bought it, and we had him sign that. So we have that Funko Pop in our collection. We don't have a ton of Funko Pops, but we do have that one and a couple of others that are autographed, like one that's autographed by Alan Tudyk and another that's autographed by Steve Bloom. Future. Back to the future. Oh, the hoverboard. I'm already with the hoverboard. Oh, here's just the hoverboard alone. These are some really cool ones, actually. And they're, being that they're small, you can fit them in some tight spots on a water bottle. Oh, I love this flux capacitor. Oh, the flux capacitor again. The future is now. 2015. It was in 2015, I guess. Doc Brown, and then a guitar. So, yeah. So if you want either a My Hero Academia sticker or you want a Back to the Future sticker, let me know that you liked the video, that you subscribed, and you hit the bell icon so you get notifications in the comments section, and then I'll send you out some stickers for free as supplies last. Thanks for watching, and until next time.